Welcome, today I am with SONY Xperia 1 Mark III and I will show you how you can apply tempered glass on display in this smartphone. So first of all, we need a quiet place so that no one or anything distracts us, so that's very important. Another very important thing is good lighting. We have to see a very mess that we have on our display. As you can see, I can find here a lot of fingerprints and it's also some kind of the, greasy marks on the screen right here, for example. So remember about the good lighting, like in my case. The next thing, we have to for sure open our box with our tempered glass, and inside we'll find these two wipes, as you can see. So first we are going to use the wet one, so open it like that. We are going to remove the fingerprints and, as I said before, the greasy marks that we have on our display. Okay, unfortunately this one is not really wet, so what you can do, simply use something like the window cleaner to soak that wipe. So we'll just apply a little bit of this window cleaner to your wipe, and then you can make you can start with cleaning your screen, so you can make moves in the circle. Remember to reach a very corner and edge. And that's how you can easily get rid of any fingerprints and greasy marks from your display. As you can see, it looks definitely better. Next, we have to grab this dry wipe and do the same. Just make moves in the circle to remove all of these marks after wet cleaning. Okay, and finally we have to take a look on the screen one more time and be sure that there is no any piece of the dust or any kind of the mess on the screen, because when you put glass on the dust we will get air bubbles. Okay, in my case everything is fine, so I can finally remove this sticker from the tempered glass, and it will follow with the foil. But as you can see, sometimes happens something like that, so the sticker doesn't follow with this foil right here. So we have to remove this foil manually, so we have to put our fingernail for one of the edge, for example here, and then remove this foil. So if you got the same problem, don't worry, just remove it manually. Okay, and right now we have to keep holding the bottom part. You can also turn on the screen to see better this edges right here. Okay, I will put it like that, for example, and it's very important to apply this glass evenly. Still keep holding the bottom part, and right now when you are sure that everything is fine, you can put this bottom part like that, and take a look right now. We can press in the middle and take a look. It goes automatically. You don't even have to press on the screen. You can make it faster by using your finger also. Oh, I just turned on the camera. Let's lock our device and take a look. After that we got some kind of marks under the glass. It's probably the glue. So to remove it, we have to press hard with our fingernail. As you can see, it appears, or with our wipe. So we can decide. I'm going to use this wipe. So I'm going to remove all of these glue marks. So just press hard on the glass. Okay, and as you can see right now, we finally applied this glass on the screen, and that's how it looks. So as you can see, it was very simple, and right now there's no any problem with the touch interaction, so we don't have to be afraid of applying glass on this Xperia 1 Mark III smartphone. So yeah, that's all, and that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.